Pag may nag-advise sa'yo na customers always right, tanga yung kausap mo. Pag ganyan kasi ang mindset mo bilang negosyante, habang buhay ka magdurusa. Here's what will happen if you believe this. Tumanggap ka ng kahit sinong customer, kahit mumurahin, kahit barat, kahit toxic. Pag may request, yes ka kaagad. Pag sinabing mahal, binibigay mo ng discount. Kasi di ba customers always right? And I want you to understand, customers do not care about your business. They don't care kung kumita ka. They don't care kung nahihirapan ka. They only care about themselves. So if you follow the request, malulugi ka talaga. Tama? Kaya for me, customers are not always right. But the right customers are always right. Anong definition ko naman ng right customers? Ito yung hindi ka binabarat, hindi reklamador, madaling kausap, nagbabayad ng tama. I call this my dream clients. Kaya pag ito yung customer ko, I listen to them. I serve them because I want to attract more of these clients. Kaya lang, karamihan ng negosyante, ayaw nila mawala ng customer. Kaya lahat pinagbigyan, lahat binibentahan. Ew! Para ka nang lilimos para lang makabenta. So, ano nangyayari? Mas lalo ka nakakuha ng mas mumurahing client, mas toxic na clients, mas masakit na ulo na clients kasi you are allowing it. So, stop serving everyone. Only serve the right clients.